If you are craving French food just like me, today I will show you how to prepare delicious crepes, which you can fill with whatever you like, and they are also very easy to make at home. To make the crepes, we will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, preferably if it's in room temperature it will work better, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and also you will need cooking oil for spraying the pan. Once you have all the ingredients, we are ready to prepare crepes. Let's start with the procedure. In a large bowl, we are going to put the cup of flour. And then we're going to add the pinch of salt. Now we are going to put the spoon of sugar. And once all of this is in, we're going to stir. Next, we are going to add the cup of milk. With the 2 eggs. And now we're going to mix it. You can mix it with an electric mixer or by hand with a manual mixer or even with a fork. Just be sure to beat it until it's well smooth. In this case, I'm going to use a balloon whisk. And now, once everything is integrated, we will add the butter. And we are also going to mix until there is no lumps. To fill these crepes, I will use strawberries and hazelnut butter. But you can use any fruit or topping of your choice, like bananas, cajeta, lechera, whipped cream, chocolate syrup, among others. Now we are going to get our pan and we're going to start to heat it. When it's already heated like this one, we are going to use our cooking oil and we are going to grease it. But this, you will only make it once, just for the first grip. For the next ones, it's not necessary. Now that our pan is hot and greased, we are going to put just the amount necessary to cover the pan with our mixture, like this. You will know when to stop. And now we are going to cover all the pan like this. And this process will happen very quickly because the crepes are a really thin bread. So you have to be careful and watch when the borders start to brown. Once the edges are brown, you are going to notice how they start to separate from the pan. So it's going to be easier for you to flip them over. You can also use a spatula for you to help you to flip the crepe. So you flip it and you wait for the other side to cook. And as I told you, this is going to be really quickly because the crepe is really thin. Then you are going to repeat that process until you have as many crepes as you want. For example, here I have about 4 or 5 crepes. So now that you have the crepes, we have to start with the fun part, that is filling them. These ones, as I already told you, I'm going to be filling it with hazelnut butter. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. You have to take a butter knife and then you are going to spread the hazelnut butter just in half of the crepe, just like this. remember that you can put as many as you like. Now we are going to take the fruit, that in this case is strawberries, but you can choose any fruit you like. And then the fruit, you are just going to put it in this part. Also as much as you like. And then, to make it look like those classic crepes, we are going to fold it in 3 parts. We're going to fold it like this, and then we're going to fold it like this. And for this, I'm going to be presenting it in this plate. So we're going to move it. And here you have your classic crepe. Here I repeated the process, so now we have 2 crepes. And now I'm going to show you how to put that little extra spice to make it look like a real plate of crepes from France. If you do this, you are going to look like a pro. So you are going to take a strawberry and a knife, and being really carefully, you are going to cut it like this. You are just going to make little cuts all over the strawberry without getting to the bottom of it. And once you have it cut it like that, you are going to open it. And it's going to look like this, like a little fan with strawberries. So you can put it like here. And I have already this one here. And it's going to look real nice and professional. And also you can take a strainer and some sugar, and then you have to take a spoon with just a little bit of powdered sugar, and you can take it across the strainer like this. And now it's going to look just like it's snowed. So there you have it. Here you have your plate of bread. And also remember that it is a low sugar dessert. So even though it's a dessert, it only has 1 spoon of sugar, and you can make it as healthy as you want.